In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert stock images menu in PowerPoint 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open PowerPoint on the web, access the stock images library, and place and resize images so your slides look polished. First, open your preferred web browser and search for PowerPoint. Click the official Microsoft PowerPoint link so you're working in the trusted web app. This ensures you get the latest interface and features that align with the 2025 experience. Next, sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the account that's tied to your Microsoft 365 subscription, especially if this is for school or work, since features like stock images are often connected to your plan. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your PowerPoint home screen. Once you're in, create a new blank presentation. This gives you a clean slate to work with and avoids any formatting conflicts from templates. If a layout box appears on your slide, don't worry, you can keep it or delete it later after you add your image. Now look at the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. If your browser window is narrow, some commands may be tucked under a More menu, so widen the window if you don't immediately see Insert. The Insert tab is where you'll find all content options for your slide. Click Stock Images. This opens Microsoft's built-in library of high-quality visuals. Depending on your subscription and region, you'll see categories such as photos, illustrations, cutout people, and icons. These assets are designed to be presentation-friendly, so they typically look crisp and professional without extra editing. Scroll through the gallery and select the image you want. You'll see thumbnails you can preview, and you can select one or multiple images at once. If you're browsing a lot of options, take a moment to consider your slide's message. Choose visuals with clear subjects, simple backgrounds, and colors that complement your theme. When you're ready, click Insert. PowerPoint will place the selected image on your slide. If you chose more than one, they'll all appear, and you can arrange them as needed. You can now start resizing. Drag a corner handle inward or outward to scale while keeping the image's proportions intact. Avoid dragging the side handles, which can distort the photo. Click and drag to reposition, and use alignment guides to center the image. If you want a quick style boost, open the picture format options to add soft shadows, rounded corners, or a subtle border that matches your design. That's it. Search, sign in, start a blank presentation, insert stock images, select, insert, and resize. You're ready to enhance any slide with clean, professional visuals.